So we're getting underway from Robin Hood Marina. We're heading up the Sheapscot River to visit Wiscasset. Probably a motorboat ride. The weather a little cloudy. And I mean, we're really just kind of stalling, buying some time. We've got our CSA, our vegetables to pick up tomorrow, so we don't want to get too far away. But we've always driven through Wiscasset and never actually like stopped and done the historical walking tour. Well, I've got so much joy in my heart. It is our vacation. It's been a while since I made a video. It's been a little while since I've been sailing Traumerai. So, but we've got a whole month where we can do nothing but enjoy sailing. And so I'm gonna be making tons of videos to share in this adventure. Right now we got a mooring at the Wiscasset Yacht Club. I'll show you around. Wiscasset calls itself the prettiest little village in Maine. I think it's kind of a bold statement. I don't know if I'd buy that, but it's on the sign on the way into town. And Morgan and I today are just gonna go explore. We picked up a little pamphlet that has like a historical walking tour of the houses in town. So I thought that'd be interesting, you know, it's something to do. And yeah, this is day one of our great grand summer adventure 2021. And I'm super excited, and I'm super excited to share this with you. Can I say hi, Morgan?
Hi.
What are you up to?
Making blueberry pie.
Blueberry pie! So where'd you get the blueberries for blueberry pie?
The road stand.
The road stand? Yeah, they came from the Maine woods?
Yeah.
Yeah, wild pick blueberries. It's gonna be yummy. I'm pumped. Lucy doesn't care, he doesn't eat blueberries.
Big stretches.
Not ready.
Yeah, 3 more seconds.
Yummy. So Morgan and I plan on walking around Wiscasset doing this museum in the streets tour. See, it comes with a little map. We're gonna walk around and we're gonna discover what it's like to be in Wiscasset back in the ye old times. Only issue might be I didn't bring a rain jacket ashore. Look at them clouds. Pretty ominous. Alright, prettiest little village in Maine. Maybe. This is actually a lot cuter than I thought it was going to be. I think the winged hourglass with the snake eating his tail is pretty badass. So we made it to the old Lincoln County Jail. So Morgan, is Wiscasset truly the prettiest little village in Maine?
It was pretty cute. I wouldn't say it's the prettiest, probably. I don't know.
I don't know. It's hard to beat though. Like, I'm trying to think. I want to say no, but then who's prettier?
I don't know, there's too many villages.
There's a lot of villages. I don't know. I mean, I think that when I think of Wiscasset, I think like negative thoughts. I think Reds Eats, you know, all the people waiting in line there, and then like the Two Rivers Jail. Like between the line and the jail, neither place is anywhere I want to end up ever. But if you stop and then just like walk around, I mean, the houses, they all have signs on them about when they were built. It's all in the ye old times, the way back wins. And the gardens are beautiful. It's nice. I had a nice day. I had a nice walk. Yeah.
People upkeep their places.
Sure do.
Or it might be mandatory.